Hey there folks, welcome to the Auto Universe. We'll start off today's news with an incredible 4x4 exhibition Fiat Ducato Campers looks out of this world. But before we get into the news, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button to keep you up to date with the latest auto news and reviews. Now, let's get right into the news. When you think camper van, you probably didn't think of the Fiat Ducato Camper, right? Fiat team collaborated with 4x4 specialist Automobiles Dangel, body customizer Olmedo Special Vehicles, and interior specialist Technoform. This best features a custom LED light bar, a front winch, new oversized wheels, crazy storage space, and a solar panel on top of all your gadget junkies. Aesthetically, there's two-tone paint job. Red opening new roads designation, teasing the Ducato Camper's newfound off-road capability, and plenty of Ducato 4x4 Expedition badging. While rugged outside, the Expedition is calm and cool inside. Inside is where it gets real fancy. You have a custom-built modern dining area, a kitchen with stainless steel sink and glass top stove, a full-size bed which features a television for those Netflix and chill kind of nights, and our favorites and certainly underappreciated features is the 4-seater dining room. With leather and spinning seats, it has enough space for you and 3 friends to eat and prepare food. Plus, it's a great place to get your work done too. The Ducato hides a 2.3-liter multi-jet 2i4 diesel engine which contains 150 horsepower with its combined 4-wheel drive, which will help you tackle those rough roads while you venture your heart away.